Welcome back guys to another video on Yummy Experiments. Today we're going to be doing something explosive.
Like what?
A volcano.
Oh, that's a great idea. Let's get into the video.
Okay, so what you guys need for this experiment, you need baking soda, a spoon, a tall glass, or anything that you can put vinegar and bicarb in, and you need some vinegar.
You didn't mention that it was a teaspoon.
No.
Pinky. Oh,
Just wait, I'm gonna cut back. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to take the bicarb and put about
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon or so. You can put a little bit more if you want. That's a bit much. Yeah, that much.
Perfect.
Put it in there. Make sure it covers the bottom.
This is a tall glass.
And like just knock the bottom a little bit.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, so make sure it's flat. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put the vinegar inside the glass, but don't do it now. We need to find a space for where you can do it. Remember, this is going to be very messy, so you're going to have to
Let's move
find a
this to
place where you
here
can go.
so we don't get that
We'll cut back.
messy.
Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to take the vinegar, and you slowly pour it. Well, you don't have to slowly pour it. Just put all of it in to the bicarb.
Get over with.
Look.
I thought that was gonna be bigger.
That is very underwhelming. Just wait, I'm gonna get the bicarb.
Oh my god. Look at that. Wow. Okay, I'm just saying that to get viewers. It's not actually quite impressing.
See, we might have clickbaited you, but still. I'll put some more in.
Okay, let's see. Don't be shy, put some more. Don't be shy, put some more. Put some more, don't be shy.
Look how
And it's still not impressing.
yeah. Not even clickbaited, but still.
Oh.
Look at this mixture. Just watch this. Yeah. Let's just see something. Oh.
Whoa, are you okay?
Yep. Look at that gas. Gas, that's what I wanted to see. Okay, come closer. Look at the gas.
Wow. Man, that is cool.
Okay, can you see there's a little bit of gas?
Yeah.
But anyways guys, let's get into the outro. So anyways guys, that's the video.
Hope you enjoyed.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Stay curious.
Bye.